The VIVOHOME MIG Welder 130 is a versatile welding machine that uses flux-cored wire to prevent oxidation of the welded parts, making it perfect for home repairs and hobby projects. This welder is particularly effective for mild steel and stainless steel, delivering a professional finish for thin steel welding and auto body work. It offers adjustable welding speed with 4 current flow settings and 10-speed variable feed controls, ensuring precise flux-cored welding for various metal thicknesses. The lightweight and compact design, coupled with a comfortable hand grip, makes this welder highly portable and easy to carry around, weighing only 34.6 pounds. The VIVOHOME MIG Welder 130 comes with essential accessories, including a welding gun, grounding clamp, welding helmet, wire welding brush, and flux-core wire, making it a comprehensive package for beginners and professionals alike. Manufactured by VIVOHOME, this welder is backed by a commitment to high quality and customer satisfaction, ensuring a reliable and durable tool for your welding needs.